Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today's class we are going to learn about the calculation based on pH. So now what is the given question? The lemon juice has the pH 2, what is the concentration of H plus ion? So already you know that to find the pH, the formula to find the pH is negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ion to the base 10. So now what is given? Here the pH is given, you want to find the concentration of H plus ion. So now what is given? Lemon juice, the pH of lemon juice. The pH of lemon juice equal to 2. Now you want to find the concentration of H plus ion. The concentration term can be expressed in the form of square bracket. The concentration term expressed in the form of square bracket. This you have to find out. So what is given? The pH. What is the formula to find pH? pH is nothing but negative log to the base 10 of H plus ion. Now the pH is given, you have to find the concentration term. So the log 10 to the base 10 of H plus ion is equal to, you take it as what? Minus. This is nothing but the anti-log. So negative log of base 10, you have to find this, you have to find the anti-log of this. So this can be written. This can be written as 10 to the power minus 2. So anti-log of this, anti-log of 2 you have to find. So now this can be written, otherwise the 10 base. This is written as 10 to the power H plus ion and 10 to the power minus 2. Now this can be rewrite as 0.01. The concentration term you have to write as what? Molar concentration. So therefore the concentration of H plus ion, the concentration of H plus ion is 0.01 molar concentration. So the lemon juice has the pH, the concentration of H plus ion present in the lemon juice is 0.01 molar concentration. And next problem based on the pH. So now listen, what is the problem? Calculate the pH of 1.0 into 10 to the power molar solution of HNO3, nitric acid. Here the concentration of the nitric acid is given. So you want to find the pH for the given concentration. So what is given in this medium is acidic medium. So this is one of the strong electrolyte, it dissociate into H plus and NO3 minus. So here 1 mole of nitric acid gives what? 1 mole of H plus ion. So now what is given in this? The concentration of H plus ion. The concentration of H plus ion. What is given as the concentration of H plus ion? 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now you want to find the pH for this concentration. So now pH is, what is the formula? You know that the formula is negative log of concentration of H plus ion to the base 10. Now you substitute in the value of concentration of H plus ion to this equation. Now negative log of, what is the concentration to the base 10? 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 4. So now you can write it as a product rule of logarithmic product rule. Now you have to take the negative sign outside and log 1 to the base 10 and plus log 10 to the power minus 4 to base 10. Understand the product rule. And next the power should come as a product. Next step, you have to change the power you take minus outside, log 1 to the base 10. If you bring this side plus into minus, minus 4 log 10 to the base 10. Now you got the value for logarithm, log 1 to the base 10 and 4 into log 10 to the base 10. Now you can give the value as minus log 1. Log 1 to the base 10 is 0. 0 minus 4. 4 into. So log 10 to the base 10. The value of log 10 to the base 10 is unit 1. So this multiply by 1. So minus of minus 4. So which one get cancelled? Minus get cancelled. So the pH. Therefore the pH of nitric acid in the given concentration. What is the concentration given? 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar concentration. Into that molar concentration, the pH value of the given acid is 4. Understand? Now you have to first write the what is given, the molar acid. Acid means nothing but the concentration of H plus ion. And next you have to write the formula. What is the formula to find the pH? Negative log to the base 10 of concentration of H plus ion. The concentration of H plus ion is given. You have to substitute that and you have to apply the product rule of the logarithmic product rule. Now if you product means that will rewrite as in the form of addition. So by this you have to find the pH. What you have to find the pH as what? 4 for the given concentration. And the next problem we will see. So the next problem is, what is the pH of 1.0 into 10 to the power 5 molar solution of KOH? From the KOH, hydroxyl ion. Hydroxyl ion present means the given medium is a basic one. Understand? Now what is given? The KOH. 1 mole of potassium hydroxide is going to dissociate into potassium ion and hydroxyl ion. This hydroxyl ion mention the basic nature. H plus ion mention the acidic nature. And now how many mole? 1 mole of potassium hydroxide dissociate to give 1 mole of potassium ion and 1 mole of hydroxyl ion. Now what is given? The concentration of hydroxyl ion, OH minus. This is called what? Hydroxyl ion. OH minus give, what is the concentration given? 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 5. Now you want to find POH first and then you have to find the pH, because there is a relation between pH and POH. Now first we want to find the value of POH. From that you have to find pH value. Now the POH equal to negative log of to the base 10 concentration 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 5. Again you have to apply the law of product, minus log 1 to the base 10 plus log 10 to the power minus 5 to the base 10. And next negative sign, log 1 to the base 10 minus, if you bring the power into product, so minus 5 into plus minus 5 into log 10 to the base 10. Now you give the value for log 1 and log 10 to the base 10. So now negative log. The value of log 1 to the base 10 is 0 minus. Now you see this here, minus 5 into. So the value of log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So negative log of minus 5. Minus minus get cancel. You are going to get the POH equal to 5. POH equal to 5. Now you want to calculate the pH value. So there is a relation between the pH and POH. pH plus POH. pH plus POH equal to 14. What is the relation between pH and POH? pH plus POH equal to 14. Now we want to find pH value. So pH plus we find the POH for the given concentration for the base is 5 equal to 14. Now the pH equal to 14. If you bring plus 5 to this side, it become minus 5. So 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5, 9. Therefore, the given concentration, the pH of the solution, the pH of the given KOH is 9. In this way, you have to find out the pH value for the given base. POH means first you have to write the POH for the given concentration. After that, you have to find the pH value based on the relationship pH plus POH. pH plus POH equal to 14. Now you find POH value, you have to substitute and find the pH of the solution. So pH of the solution is 9. So it is greater than 7. So the given medium is a basic medium. And the next problem, now you see this, the hydroxide ion. The hydroxide ion concentration of a solution is 1 into 10 to the power minus 10 moles. What is the pH of the solution? Again the hydroxide ion or otherwise the OH. The concentration of OH is given. Now you want to find the pH for the solution, and then you have to find whether the given solution is an acidic medium or basic medium. Now see this, what is given? The hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion means nothing but OH minus ion. So what is the concentration given? 1 into 10 to the power minus 11 moles. Molar concentration. So first we have to find out the POH. POH equal to negative log of OH minus ion to the base 10. Now you substitute the value of concentration of hydroxide ion, or you can say it as an hydroxyl ion anyway. Negative log of, what is the concentration given? 1 into 10 to the power minus 11 to the base 10. Again this can be rewrite. You have to take the negative sign outside, log 1 to the base 10 and then plus log 10 to the power minus 11 to the base 10. And next step, you bring the power to the product. Minus, take minus sign outside, minus sign outside, log 1 to the base 10 plus into minus minus 11 into log 10 to the base 10. Oh, okay, I'll write these steps in here. Negative log, negative sign you can take outside 1 to the log 10, and then plus into minus, minus 11 into log 10 to the base 10. And now you have to apply the value log 1 to the base 10 and log 10 to the base 10 value. Now negative log of log 10 to the base 10 value is 0 minus 11 into log 10 to the base 10 value is 1. Then minus of 11. My 1 into 11, 11. So minus get cancel. So you are going to get the value. So what is that? POH. POH is 11. And next we want to find the pH for this solution. So what is the relation? pH equal to, now you see this, pH plus POH equal to 14. pH plus POH equal to 14. Now you find the POH as 11. You substitute the value of POH here. See, pH plus POH as 11. So substitute the value 11 equal to 14. pH equal to, you take plus 11 to that side, it become minus. So 14 minus 11. The pH equal to 14 minus 11, 3. See, the pH of the solution is 3. So the medium is acidic, because the pH value is 3, less than 7 means the medium is acidic. So based on this, you have to calculate the pH of the given solution, as well as if pH given, you have to find the concentration of H plus ion or the concentration of hydroxyl ion. So thank you for watching this video, children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button to receive the latest update. Thank you.